In this class, we're going to talk about something that is very useful for the technicians. So if you are installing cameras, for instance, video cameras, video surveillance, or maybe you do electric work or something that is going to be outside, you need this tool. So I'm going to tell you a little bit more about this tool. So if you're outside the United States, you want me to send you tools, electronics or cars or anything like that, I can do all that. Just let me know and I'll do it for you. So this is why I bought this tool, because sometimes I have to install, like I said before, cameras, or maybe do some electric work outside of the house, or maybe a business, and then you have, you know, bushes everywhere and it's a disaster. So because I don't like that, and I don't want to start, you know, pushing with a ladder against the wall to try to get the you know, against the wall, so that way I can put the camera in some place. So this is the tool for you. So this is what why I bought it, because it's very compact, and if you want to cut, you know, trim the bushes for any reason, this is the best tool for you, because as you can see, it's almost the size of my head. Or if you have an iPhone, for instance, it's like 2 iPhones, maybe a knife and 2 iPhones and a half, something like that. And when you put it, you can put it in the backpack, something like that, or you can put it just in the toolbox. So here I'm going to show you how this works. So I took it out of the box. So it comes with 2 things. The other tool, as you can see here in the box, this is useless because this it says grass only. So I'm not going to cut nobody else grass. So this surely I will not be using it. So I'm not going to put it even in my toolbox. So this goes out. But if you have to cut the grass, I don't know, for some reason, maybe some plumbing, who knows, I don't know. You have to find the water meter, who knows, I don't know. This is not my case. If it's yours, please let me know in the section below, but this is not my case. I'm going to use it just this, as you can see here, and this, that's it. So I'm going to show you how to install it. It's very easy. All you have to do is just take this out, as you can see, and then because here you have the gear, you're going to put it here, and this hole goes here, so it have to be flush, as you can see here, and it looks great to me. So once you do that, you put it like this, and that's it. So if you have maybe a huge toolbox, maybe you can leave it all together. Otherwise, you can use it like that. So as you can see, you push this on the side, and then this, I just put the toothbrush and it cuts the toothbrush very well. Also, I think maybe if you put the Ethernet cable or something like that, it will cut it. Yeah, it's not very good cutting Ethernet cables, but you know, something extra on your toolbox. So after you finish cutting whatever you have to cut, like I said before, this is an iPhone 7, so like 2 iPhone 7 maybe, and this I think is maybe 17 inches long, or maybe a little bit shorter than that. Here I have my MacBook Pro, so if you want to measure it against this is a 13 inch. Yes, I think it's 7 inches, yeah, something like that. So in diagonal it will be yes, less than that. So yes, confirm. I think it's 7 inches if I'm not mistaken. Of course, don't put your finger when you're working with this. If you're always remove the battery, make sure that you are completely safe. This is not going to work without the battery. And once you finish cutting the bushes, take it all out. Or like I said before, if you have a big toolbox, just leave it the way it is, and you don't have to do this every time. But I'm not going to use it all the time. To me, it's worth it to have it like this in the toolbox, and then it can be ready to go anytime. So hopefully you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, please let me know in the section below. And if you need tools, electronics, or anything like that, just let me know as well. I have a group where I put all the people together. So if you want to buy, you know, like auctions or something like that, you know, electronics by pallet, I can do that as well for you. So I'll send you all the list of all my providers. Hopefully this was useful for you, and see you in the next class.